The reason why we decided to build was to actually create more space for our family. So being a 3-bedroom house, 2 young kids, I wanted extra space for the kids and also for myself, for ourselves, so that we actually had greater room for all areas. The build experience with Blue Build has been amazing. So from beginning, the first time I met Ryan, it was, he just made me feel comfortable. I'm just really grateful for the fact that I've had the team at Blue Build here building our dream extension and helping us achieve our goal for this extra space that we wanted. And also too, just again for being respectful of our family and helping us throughout it all and helping make the choices. It's just made it more seamless, less stressful, especially during this time whilst we've been living it with 2 young children.